Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find restaurants location with 10% discount using Opay. It's a promo. Now what do? The first thing is open up your Opay app. Don't forget to please quickly get your Opay Valve card, and then you open up your Opay app. Next thing you do, tap on cards. You can see physical card, Opay Valve card. The next thing you do, tap on the get 10% free on Opay Valve card. This is it. You tap on it, and then to open up this, then tap on find selected locations, and then you can quickly go through restaurants locations. We have two restaurants that are in collaboration with Opay. These restaurants are The Place and Sweet Sensation. If it's a place you want to eat at, actually, you can go through this to see all the locations where you can get 10% discount. If it is Sweet Sensation, you can also tap on Sweet Sensation, and you will see all the locations where you can enjoy up to 10% discounts when you pay with your Opay Valve card. So as you can see, this is a promo, and this promo is valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024, between Thursdays to Sundays. So quickly rush over there and enjoy your 10% discount. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel and comment in the comment section so we can know if you were able to enjoy this discount.